innovation, uncertainty, management. Podcast 6, Better Consensus Teamwork. This podcast number 6 describes how six-state logic enables teams to efficiently and effectively reach consensus decisions about any evaluation topic. Teamwork improves the quality of decisions, but comes at the cost of reaching consensus. Balancing the benefits and cost of teamwork is especially challenging when the topic of discussion is uncertain, as is many times the case for innovation management. The six-state logic feature of more exact state descriptions helps teams more quickly and accurately reach consensus decisions. As described in earlier podcasts, yes or no communications are inexact, and detailed multiple choice or free-form text communications are time-consuming. Six-state logic therefore helps teams focus on the barriers to reaching consensus rather than wasting time defining what consensus means. Six-state logic structure makes consensus in a general form like seems negative, meaningful enough to support next step decision planning without requiring team members to agree about all supporting details. For example, one team member may believe a technology seems negative because it is probably uncontrollable, while another team member may believe the technology is probably too expensive. Six-state logic enables these two team members to agree on a seems negative evaluation result without forcing them to unproductively agree on the exact reasons why. The six-state logic consensus building process, or algorithm, starts by requesting team members to compare their individual six-state logic evaluation results. Certain team members contrast opposing results, while uncertain team members collect information from public exchanges that can help justify more certain evaluation results. Consensus is reached when all team members choose the same six-state logic evaluation result. Such perfect consensus is not always possible without encouragement in the form of voting or importance weighting. Voting is the process of forcing team members to select one or more evaluation results to follow. The voting process represents a tournament that pits evaluation results against each other to select a consensus winner. Importance weighting assigns a higher value to some team member evaluations and results in a distribution of six-state logic responses. Some team members, like a CEO, may have more weight in a final decision, while other team member inputs, like a consultant, may have zero weight but are still used for reference purposes. Typically, thresholds are defined for the concentration of results in a distribution that will be recognized as a consensus. Voting and weighting techniques for reaching consensus can be used together to further improve teamwork, speed, and accuracy. The six-state logic consensus teamwork process introduced in this podcast relies on the fundamental six-state logic communication advantages introduced in earlier podcasts, as well as an effective sequencing of how evaluation results are compared. The result is a consensus process that works well in both live meetings and through asynchronous communication methods like email. Podcast 7 describes how multiple six-state logic tools and well-accepted innovation-supporting methods can be combined to form an overall effective and efficient process for ideation and new idea evaluation. Innovation, uncertainty, management.